What's going on, guys? This is Adiology from My Tech Audio Studios. As you know, I offer services in mixing Dolby Atmos music. A lot of people don't understand what it is. It's a 3D listening experience where it takes your song, the detail analysis from your instruments, and it makes the music immerse all around you. I'm going to show you guys the type of file that is created whenever you finish a Dolby Atmos mix. Check it out. So the file that is created is an ADM.WAV file. It stands for Audio Definition Model. This is not a file that you can play from your desktop. If you wanted to send a version of this file for your client so they can listen to them, you have to send it in an MP4 format because that is the only way where that metadata will be saved as part of the audio. In order for us to use this, we need to open this with another program. You can either have it inside Pro Tools or you can open it with the Dolby renderer, the Dolby Atmos renderer software, right? So I'm going to import this file right into here, right? This is what we call the master file, okay? And we're going to play a little bit of this. Check it out. So one of the first things about this is your monitoring setup. Depending on the studio or where you're playing it, you got to see what speakers you're connected and what type of audio interface you have connected to your system. In my system here, I can monitor at 7.1.4 based on all the speakers that I have within this room, right? You can also monitor the mix. That data is saved as part of the audio file depending on the type of system. So I can even listen to the stereo version of it. I can also just listen to 5.1 depending on my listening or monitoring setup. I'm going to use my physical connection, which is really 7.1.4. And you're going to notice all of these channels populate as I switch through all those formats, right? Left and right. And then we have everything split out. Let me play you a little bit of the song. So right here, you're seeing the movement of audio within the space. Everything that's green means that it's ready to receive some data. And these are the channels that are currently receiving some louder, stronger signals. See that? But all of these speakers are being fed audio right from here. And the cool thing about it is you can have the sound just travel all around you and give you an amazing experience. So this is the mix with the left and right speaker turned off. Listen. Pretty cool, man. Let's turn it back on. Anyway, that's my little tutorial on Atmos music. If you're interested in joining our advanced mixing and mastering in Dolby Atmos, shoot me a message and let me know. Let's ride out to the bridge. Stream the song right now on all platforms for the Atmos experience. Apple Music and Tidal. Spotify does not support it. Peace.